you'll copy and paste that bad boy into the track 2 box. Paste that guy in there, and then what you want to do is click write. Okay, so now that this red box is open, the light on your MSR should have changed, which means it's ready to be written. So you'll take your blank card and you'll give it a swipe. Okay, swipe. I'll just do it a couple times just to make sure. Okay, boom. Now what we're going to want to do is erase these boxes, and we're going to do read. Okay, this is just to make sure that all the information you've input is correct. So we'll swipe it. Boom. Red card. Okay, so it looks like everything worked out. We'll just retry it one more time. Do read. So it's reading the mag strip on the blank card. Give it a swipe, and it looks like we got all our information. So the first step, MSR, is now completed. You can close out your MSR X there. And the next thing you're going to want to do is change the ATR. So your MSR is done now. You're done using it. Everything else is going to be on the OmniKey. So the mag strip is the easiest part. The OmniKey chip is kind of the rest for all this. So we'll open up our ATR tool, and we will find our reader, the OmniKey. Perfect. We'll go into here and we'll select what blank cards we have. We have the JCOP J2A040 cards, like before. And then right here, we have to find the bank we're using. So with this specific dump, it is Bank of America. So we'll go into here and we'll scroll down to the B's. Oh, I think I may have gone a little too far. Bank of Brazil, Bank of America. Here it is. Boom. All right. Next thing you want to do is put your chip inside of your OmniKey. Okay, it'll flash for a little second and then you'll be good. And once your blank card is inside your OmniKey, we'll just click set. Perfect. The ATR is now changed. Next thing we're going to want to do is change the formatting of the blank from Java to JCOP. Okay, so the JCOP format is what ATMs use. Java format is the format that the blanks come in. Okay, so we'll open up CardPeek here. We'll select our reader, click OK. There's this little analyzer button. I'll click that, and a drop-down menu should come up. Okay, I have two screens. I have two monitors, so it comes up on my other monitor. But a drop-down menu will come up, and you just click the EMV tab. Okay, it'll do a little bit of loading here, and it should be pretty quick. You see this right here? This is kind of like the loading screen, how fast it's loading. So this is what a Java formatted card looks like. Okay, with the ATR now. So if you were to do it before we did the ATR, up here it would say blank card, but it doesn't anymore because we changed the ATR to a Bank of America. Okay, this is what a Java formatting card looks like. If you put this in the ATM, nothing's going to happen. It's literally just gibberish. Okay, so what we need to do is change that into like a Visa JCOP format, and we'll teach you how to do that right now. So what we're going to need is going into JCOP here, open that guy up. We're going to take the track 2 in our dump here, take this guy, copy, and paste that in there. Next thing you want to do is click Format. Okay, click Format. The light on your OmniKey should be blinking. Wait till it stops blinking, and once it's finished blinking, you will click Save. Okay? Once you click Save, the light on your OmniKey will continue to blink. This is where you need to let it blink, let it keep blinking. It'll go solid green, and then you just want to keep sitting there until the light on your OmniKey turns off completely. Okay? So it blinked, it's green now, but it has not turned off all the way, so you have to keep waiting. Okay, now it just turned off. So we'll go exit out of here. We'll go back into CardPeek and click EMV. And now it's going to run again, but you see how it's different now. It's asking, it says it ran into an issue processing options in the Visa credit application. So that's okay. This is normal. This is a good sign, okay? That means you did things correctly. Always say yes, okay? Always say yes for that. Okay, it'll run some information here, and you'll start to notice the more information you put on the blank, the longer it takes for CardPeek to read it. It can get really slow near the end, but it's kind of just all part of the process. I'm assuming if you buy those like $100 Omni keys, it'll read it a little faster, but I don't mind paying $30 and waiting a little bit for my cards. So it should get up to about 800 or 900. Kind of depends on the dump as well. But boom, okay. So this is what um, a JCOP formatted um, dump looks like, okay? So as you can see, it looks a lot different than the previous one, but we're not done yet, okay? So we'll exit out of here and we'll go into the X2 side of things. This isn't the first time I tried making this video. I kind of screwed up the first time. So this is X2. First thing you're going to want to do is go into your EMV tab, okay? You see where it says track 2 up here? Take this number right here from our dump. We'll copy that, paste it into there. Cardholder's name, you always want to erase cardholder's name, okay? I've never done a dump where I put the cardholder's name in, and you just don't, just erase it, okay? It just makes things a lot easier. Application label, we're going to do Visa debit because it's a Visa card. If you're not familiar and your dump doesn't tell you, like right here, it tells me